Hello everyone. So this is the part 3 of the chapter Cell, the basic unit of life. In this video you will learn about cell organelles, their structure and functions. So cell organelles are living membrane bound bodies that have a definite shape and perform specific functions within the cytoplasm. So let's start from endoplasmic reticulum.
So endoplasmic reticulum is a network of folded, double membranous channels that extend from the nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. So first of all, it is attached with the nuclear membrane. As you can see, this one is nucleus. Next, it is folded structure. So this endoplasmic reticulum, here you can see, is the folded structure, and it is double membrane structure as it has two membranes. It extends from this nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. Now, what is its function? It provides a supportive framework to the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum allows the transport of substances within the cell as well as between the cells. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. As you can see, smooth endoplasmic reticulum (SCR) and rough endoplasmic reticulum (RER). So in rough endoplasmic reticulum, many ribosomes are attached to it. As you can see, these small rounded structures are ribosomes. But in case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there is no such ribosome attached to it. So here is the overall structure of endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next is ribosomes. So ribosomes are granular structures without a membrane. It do not have any membrane. So these structures are ribosomes. So they either exist freely in the cytoplasm or they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. So what is the main function of ribosome? They help in protein synthesis. The next cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria are small rod structures that are surrounded by two membranes, that is the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Outer membrane is smooth, whereas this inner membrane is folded into a finger-like projection called crista. Mitochondria are also called the powerhouses of a cell. They are responsible for oxidizing food to release energy during a process called cellular respiration. Next is Golgi body. These are stacked, means it is present one over the other, flattened and membrane bound vesicles. So vesicle means fluid filled sac like structures. So the Golgi bodies are involved in the packaging of substance such as enzymes and hormones, and they also help in the formation of lysosomes. As in this picture you can see, proteins are transported from this rough endoplasmic reticulum through transport vesicle into the Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, and after some modification again through vesicle formation it just passes out of the cell. Next is lysosomes. As we know, Golgi bodies help in the formation of lysosomes. So lysosomes are membrane bound sac present mostly in animal cells and contain many digestive enzymes. These enzymes help to digest old worn out cells as well as organelles. They even destroy foreign bodies such as bacteria. Extreme conditions, when the cell is injured or gets damaged, lysosomes by self-digestion can kill their own cell. Thus, they are often called the suicide bags of the cell. As in this picture you can see, this is the cell and here is the lysosome. These are the foreign particle or the cell, and these are the damaged organelle of the cell. And altogether this lysosome destroying the foreign particles as well as its own cell. The next cell organelle is centrosomes. These are present only in animal cells and are found near the nucleus. They are not membrane bound. It contains two cylindrical bodies, this one and this one. These cylindrical bodies are positioned at right angle to each other. As see, it's forming a right angle. And such cylindrical bodies are called centrioles. So here two centrioles are present. So what is its function? So it helps in the formation of spindle fibers during cell division. Next is vacuole. So these are membrane bound hollow structure that store various substances in a solution. In plant cells, vacuoles are quite large, as you can see here, and occupy most of the cell space. As it occupies so much space that the nucleus, this is the nucleus, it is pushed towards the margin against the cell membrane. Vacuole keep the plant cells in turgid state. Turgid means swollen. And they store some dissolved substances like sugar, minerals and even waste products. In case of animal cells, vacuoles are much smaller in size and more in number. The next structure is plastids. So these plastids are found in plant cells and they are bound by a double membrane, that is the outer membrane and the inner membrane, and can be oval, spherical or discoid in shape. So based on their color, plastids are classified into three types. They are chloroplasts, chromaplasts and leukoplasts. So chloroplasts are green plastids as they contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. They trap solar energy and convert it into chemical energy in the form of food through the process of photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are present in the green parts, that is leaves and young stems of the plants, and in algae. The next one is chromoplasts. So these are colored plastids as they contain red, orange and yellow pigments. These colors attract insects and other animals for pollination, and they are mostly found in the petals of flowers and fruits. The last one is leukoplasts, and these are colorless plastids that store food in the form of starch, proteins and fats. They are found in non-photosynthetic parts like roots and seeds of the plant.
Now, here is the question for you. Can you answer this?